To connect QuickBooks to CentrixOne, navigate to the Settings module, and then to QuickBooks Integration. Here, let's click on Connect to QuickBooks, and log in with your QuickBooks account username and password. Let's click on Connect. Once QuickBooks is linked, you are led back to CentrixOne. Here we have to choose the date from when we wish for data to be synchronized. If you have years of data in QuickBooks, you can import all the data, or only choose the relevant dates. I will choose to synchronize my data for the last year only. Then we have to choose a system language and the contact's default language. When you are ready, click on Start Synchronization. When QuickBooks is connected to CentrixOne, a new list is created in your account. In the Lists module, we can find a new, separate list called QuickBooks. This list will be different from other lists, as it will not be possible to edit or rename it. Let's select this list and save. Here is where you will have a view on your QuickBooks data. Contacts, accounts, and opportunities will be created here. This view is still empty as it takes 1 minute before synchronization starts. If you have a lot of data, the first synchronization can take minutes or hours. After the first synchronization, new data can usually be viewed within seconds. Let's take a look at my QuickBooks account. I have created one contact in my QuickBooks demo account. This contact has been invoiced with these services. Back in CentrixOne, when I refresh my view, the contact has now been synchronized. Let's click on the contact. The contact's account was also created, and the default system language was assigned. We also have a view on the invoice in the Opportunities widget. Let's navigate to the invoice. Here as well, we have the same information that was entered in QuickBooks, such as the description, quantity, and total amount. Creation date and closing date are not relevant, as an invoice is not a potential sale which will move through the sales cycle. An invoice is always at 100% probability of success. If an estimate and sales labels have been created in QuickBooks, these will also be imported into CentrixOne. Sales stages are visible here. Sales labels can also be viewed in the Settings module. Under Labels,